What we do is we build wheelchair ramps for people who are in physical need of a wheelchair ramp and cannot afford to have one built. And there is no charge to the person. They don't put a penny towards all of this. We build and buy the material with grant money and donations made to the organization. The volunteers build the ramp. There's no paid volunteer. We give up our time, usually on a weekend when you're not working or something, and we build the ramp. I myself then like to notify the one that gave the money and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's a ramp we built. It makes people that donated or an organization that granted the money, it really gives them insight and touches their heart that they're actually doing something that makes a difference in a person's life.